Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix held money in PayPal. First, understand that PayPal often holds funds for security reasons, especially for new sellers or unusual transactions. Begin by checking your PayPal account for any notifications or alerts regarding the hold. It's crucial to ensure your identity and account information are fully verified to prevent future holds and expedite current ones. This initial check is your first step towards resolving the issue. Funds are commonly held due to new seller status, limited selling history, or high-value items. Unusual sales patterns can also trigger a hold. If there are shipping delays or customer disputes, PayPal might hold funds to protect both parties. To help release funds faster, always provide tracking information promptly. For physical goods, this often means the hold can be released within 24 to 48 hours after delivery confirmation. To expedite the release of your funds, actively add tracking information to your transaction details as soon as possible. For services, mark the item as shipped or the service as completed within your PayPal account. Clear and consistent communication with your buyers is essential to avoid any potential disputes that could prolong a hold. Furthermore, ensure your account is fully verified with all necessary documents, as this builds trust and reduces hold frequency. If your funds remain held after the typical 21-day period, it's time to contact PayPal support directly. Before reaching out, gather all your transaction details and any relevant communication with the buyer. Utilize the PayPal Resolution Center for any ongoing disputes, as this is the official channel for resolution. If issues persist, consider exploring alternative payment methods for future transactions to diversify your options and minimize potential holds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.